Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome and please subscribe. Today y'all, I'm going to get into a new mousse. Y'all know I love mousse. Mousse is just convenient. Like, it's just one of those go-to stylers when you need your hair to dry fast, you need your hair to be cute, but you ain't got all day to be doing your hair. I love it for twist outs and rod sets. I have not perfected it for a wash and go yet, but we working on it. Another style that I don't do very often are braid outs. So today I want to do like a braid and curl situation. And the mousse that we're going to use today is this Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture and Twist Curling Mousse. It says it's for dry and dehydrated hair. It has pure honey, rich coconut oil, shea butter, no sulfates, petroleum, silicones, mineral oils, or drying alcohol. I do like that original argan oil mousse, and I do have their coconut mousse, which I haven't tried, and I heard that was nice and moisturizing. But when I saw this, I definitely wanted to give it a try. So let me part my hair in sections and let's get started. Okay, so now my hair is in 4 sections and we're going to get started with this braid and curl. Now, braiding is not my forte. Like, I know how to braid, but braid outs really just don't come out great for me, so. But it's date night. I need my hair to dry fast, so this is the time when I will run to a mousse. So I'm going to start back here in the back, and I'm going to do kind of like, I guess, chunky braid outs. They'll be chunky for me. My hair is like a low to medium density, so it may not look chunky to you, but it's going to be chunky to me. So I have 2 sections in the front, 3 in the back. This is one, and I'm going to probably cut this one in half like this and do 2 braids in each section in the back. So let's see how it looks and smells. Nice and sweet. It's fluffy, but still kind of stiff. Like, it's not very runny, so I like that. It does say to apply it from the ends up, so that's what I better be doing. It feels nice, smooth, and thick for a mousse. So I'm going to take 3 sections. I think I got it through there pretty good. I'm going to take 3 sections and go ahead and braid this up, if I can remember how. I'm so used to twist outs. Okay, and I'm going to take this part here at the end and put it on an orange rod. Just roll it up a few times and bam, secure over the top. Braid number 1. So I guess with the mousse, it's really not much you can say about it until it's dry. As far as the texture, I love that it's nice and thick, not super runny. It's not super sticky, even though it has honey in it. Like, I've used mousses that were way more sticky than this, so that's good that it's not really sticky, even though I don't mind it. But I know a lot of people don't like the sticky feeling, so this one is not too sticky, but there's a light stickiness to let you know that honey is in there. I'm using about 2 pumps per section, and it's weighing my hair down really nicely and smoothing through my hair real good too. So like I said, I use 2 pumps on each section, probably more on that one, and look how it's just soaked in to my hair already. So okay, Creme of Nature. So these are our 2 braids in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid up the other sections and come back when it's done. Braids all through my hair. This is what they're looking like. Now I have 17 braids in my hair. I don't know what world I thought that was a chunky braid out, but here we are. So the mousse says that you should air dry or diffuse. I'm gonna sit under the dryer. My hair was already blown out, so it should not take long to dry. I'm gonna sit under there while I figure out what I'm wearing, and let's hope and pray this braid and curl comes out cute. When my hair is all dry, I will come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this mousse, because so far I like it. Of course, the real test is when it's dry. Is it gonna give me hold at least for a few days? Is it gonna be frizzy? Is it gonna be dry? Is it gonna have a decent amount of hold? It does say it's the moisture and twist curling mousse for dry and dehydrated hair, so I'm expecting my hair to be nice and shiny, have a nice amount of moisture, and a nice amount of definition to get me through at least 3 days. When I use a mousse, I don't expect it to last me for 7 days. But if I can get me a good 3, maybe even 5, I'm cool with that. So let's dry my hair and I'll see y'all when it's dry. Okay, you guys, so I'm back and this is our braid and curl. I'll turn around so you can see it. Okay, so I like it, but I don't love it. Like I said, as far as the texture goes, it feels nice and thick and rich, and it feels moisturizing. Glided through my hair really well, kind of weighed my hair down, and it didn't revert my hair really fast. So I did like that about it. I do feel like this is a nice moisturizing type of foam. It's not drying at all. However, it doesn't give me enough hold. It needs to give me a little bit more hold. Now, granted, I'm not the biggest fan of braid outs, and I don't take them out very well. I do cause a lot of frizz when I'm doing it. But also, this is a super lightweight type of hold, so this would be great for rod sets. But as far as braid outs, twist outs, for me, it doesn't have quite enough hold. So I definitely want to try it again for a rod set. I feel like my rod set is going to be super soft, fluffy, and bouncy. When I have more hold, it causes less frizz during the takedown. So I do need a little bit more hold. I can see why this doesn't say that you should use it for wash and goes, because it really doesn't have enough hold for a wash and go. I mean, not for type 4 hair, not for my type 4 hair, but I do like it for moisture and shine. It gave me a really nice shine on my hair. Even though I have some frizz, my hair doesn't look dull and ashy to me. It has decent definition, but not a lot, especially like at the ends. Maybe that's due to my lack of knowing how to separate a braid and curl, but I think if I would have had a little more hold, I wouldn't have as much frizz. So I'm not going to give up on this foam. I want to try it again for a rod set to see how it does for that. But as far as moisture and shine, this is very good for that. So if you use your foam for styles that really don't require a lot of hold, this would be good. You get the moisture, you get the shine, and you get the soft, fluffy hair. This hair is soft and fluffy. Definitely not bad if you need a one and done type of mousse just to give you a quick hairdo for the day. Because I didn't tell you guys this, but I didn't even use a leave-in. All I did was blew my hair out with just like water, a little bit of lightweight oil, and a heat protectant, but I didn't use a leave-in. So for me to not have used a leave-in, my hair does feel nice and moisturized. So I'm impressed by that with this mousse. If it just gave me a little bit more hold, it would be perfect. So let me know if you guys are going to try this mousse. Make sure you like this video, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.